It's time to install Windows 11. Running PC health check and discovering our need to enable TPM 2.0. Swapping to the AMD firmware version and enjoying the scary notice. And my machine is now passing. I grab the Create Windows 11 installation media and create myself a lovely installation medium. Ta-da! I run the setup program from the newly installed drive and stare at my beautiful installation screen. It checks for some updates and checks my PC. It gets a few things ready and gives me legal stuff. It's grabbing some updates. It's detected that I want Windows Pro and is keeping all my personal files and apps. Install. And we have begun. And after a while you get this error message saying it failed to install. As this method did not work, I'm now going to try booting from the USB instead. Boot, my little flash drive, boot! We get the standard Windows installation screen. Next, and install now. I'm going to sign in digitally, so I'm going to click on I don't have a key. I select the version I want and next. And I sell my soul to Bill Gates. I will select the upgrade option. And I'm told it's not allowed. So I go back through the installation process. And I sacrifice my entire hard drive. I remove everything. And start the installation process. I wait for Windows to finish copying. And I get an error message from my trouble. Now I have no operating system. Yay! I try setting my OS type to Windows UEFI mode. I reboot and go through all the steps and wait patiently. Just to get the same freaking error. Now I'm remaking the USB key on another computer. Wait with fingers crossed. Get to 50% and start feeling hope. Jump for joy when it finally starts working. Yay! Watch Windows 11 begin to start. Notice the beautiful new font. Wonder why Windows just rebooted. Breathe a sigh of relief when the different screen comes up. Get blinded by the new Windows startup logo. Yes. Yes. Skip. Connect to my network. Next. And next. Ooh, someone's trying to rip off Google. Time to name my PC. And now I've got to wait a moment. The machine reboots. Another blinding screen. I'll set mine up for personal use. And log into my Microsoft account. I create my PIN. I watch Windows 11 freak out with my monitors. And complete the setup upside down on the monitor I didn't want to use. I turn my phone upside down to record it, which is slightly odd, trying to read things upside down. Say yes to find my device. It's a new OS, so I'll show the additional include optional data. I'll improve ink and typing. I'll get myself a tailored experience. And a firm no on the advertising. I'll tick business. And I won't back up with OneDrive because I use Google Drive. Hi. Getting ready. Don't turn off my PC or terrible, terrible things will happen. Almost there, and we're in Windows 11. And it's also restored my bottom display now, so that's better. The first thing I'm going to do is set up my displays. I flip my top one, stack my displays, and I can see Windows 11 installed. Yay!